To add or show notification icon in the app list in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under display section, tap the gray on offset next to show icon in the app list to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will show sound notification icon in the app list. Now you can alternatively open the sound notification by going to the app screen and then tap sound notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.